Hi, I'm Wayne with Headsets Direct. I want to take a few minutes and introduce you to the HP Poly Mission 400 series of wired USB headsets. So here's the headset. There's two different ones in this grouping. There's a 415, which is a mono, so that's just a speaker on one ear. This is the 425 stereo, covering up both ears. That really comes down to just personal preference and your environment. Mono, you can hear everything going on around you. Stereo covers up both ears, blocks out a lot more noise, so you can focus on your caller better. One other differentiator on this series, so the 400 has this model, which is just the standard Mission 400. Then there's also a Mission 400 Classic. The difference is, the one I'm looking at here, you have leatherette cushions, so it's a slight upgrade, a little more comfortable, versus the 400 Classic. And when you see the Classic, and I'll put links to all these below, that has foam ear cushions. So that's your very entry level, and then this is up a notch. And I'd really look at this Mission series as three different buckets: good, better, and best. You have a Mission 400, 600, and 800. And it's going to come down to finding that sweet spot of what your budget will allow. And the more you go up in models, the more you get in noise canceling microphones, so better audio quality and less of your environment being transmitted across to your callers, so they hear you better. And you also gain in comfort, like leatherette cushions and padding and even padded headbands. So that good, better, best, this is going to be in the good category, still a good solution for business grade quality products that HP Poly is putting out in this new Mission series. So let me go ahead and put this on so you can hear what the mic sounds like. Okay, now I'm on this headset, so you're actually getting the live mic, so you can get a good feel of what it sounds like coming across. So this is what your callers would hear. So this is that, in that good, better, best grouping. Good gives you one microphone that's noise canceling, but it also has AI noise reduction built into it, and that's something new that HP Poly's introduced with this line. And it really does a good job of picking up your voice and cutting down on ambient sounds in your background. So again, making it where your callers hear you better. I touched on the leatherette cushions. They're very comfortable. They rotate, so there's a good fit on your ear. They're also a little bit oblong, so that fits the shape of your ear a little bit better. The headband is adjustable, so you really have a secure fit. The mono will weigh 99 grams. The stereo will weigh 132 grams. So again, this is the 425 stereo that I have on right now. It has USB-C on the end of the cable, and it has a tethered USB-A adapter, so it easily connects to anything you may have. I have inline volume controls. Here you can do speaker up, speaker down, mute, and call control. One other nice feature of this new Mission series, in the past we've had to have two separate SKUs for the same headset, one which is a UC version, standard version for most computers or applications you're going to plug into and platforms you'll use. And then we had a separate one for Teams. That's no longer the case with this new Mission 400 series. It's one SKU, one headset. You just pick if you want the 415 mono or 425 stereo. The firmware in the headset will do the rest for you. So if you plug into a Teams environment, you'll actually light up a Teams button on this, and it senses that and will give you the typical Teams features. So again, one headset, you're not worrying about if you need Teams or non-Teams. You just take this one, plug it in, and the headset figures out the rest for you. This headset will also come with a 2-year warranty. And the last thing to touch on, it kind of goes back to that grouping of good, better, and best. This is going to be around $50. So again, you're matching your budget with how many noise canceling mics, or how many mics are being picked up that help the noise canceling capabilities of the headset and also the comfort. So again, this is the HP Poly Mission 400 series of headsets, the 415 and 425. Just a good, solid entry-level solution for business users that spend hours on the phone or through the computer talking to people, and they want to cut down on that background noise so your callers can hear you very crisp and clearly. If you need a headset like this or something similar from an authorized dealer, please give us a call at Headsets Direct. We're at 1-800-914-7996, or visit us online at www.headsetsdirect.com. Thanks for watching.